Hello and welcome to our program Swasthya Samwad by India Topdoctor. The purpose of Swasthya Samwad program is to make people aware about the problems and solutions related to health. And through this program, we want to bring those doctors who have expertise in the field of health so that they can improve your health and tell us what is the reason behind the problems and how such problems can be solved. Today, we will talk about oral diseases and diagnosis. Oral disease like problems related to teeth and gums. If you have any kind of problem in your gums and teeth, then it should not be ignored anytime. Sometimes the problem increases so much that there is a problem in eating or drinking anything. To understand more on this, our today's guest is Dr. Gaurav Gupta. He is a renowned dental surgeon of Gurugram, having vast experience and specialized training in all areas of cosmetic dentistry. So let's welcome him. Today we are here to talk about dentistry and related issues and everything. But before we move ahead, can you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, I am Dr. Gaurav Gupta. I am practicing in Gurgaon since last 23 years. I have chain of clinic. I have 3 branches of my own clinic, as well as I am associated with Apollo White Dental, a chain of Apollo group of hospitals. So I am visiting consultant over there.
Okay, sir. So when did you realize that you wanted to pursue dentistry and what is your specialty in dentistry?
Yeah, actually I'm born and brought up in Gurgaon. And when I was just small kid in school, Gurgaon used to be a very small place. And my parents used to go to Delhi all the way for their dental treatment. So I found there is a lot of scope in dentistry and a lot more good dentists are needed in Gurgaon. And as Gurgaon was progressing, quality dental treatment was the real necessity of time. So I decided to do dentistry and choose it as my profession.
All right. So we have heard a lot about your clinic. Can you tell me what are the special facilities that your clinic provides which makes it so trustworthy?
And the most important thing is I just keep personal touch with my patients.
Right.
I always do my follow-up on my own with my patients. It's not the reception people who do the follow-up. So I can say the CRM part of my clinic is best and which builds the trust in the patient. And moreover, regularly we are upgrading ourselves with latest facilities and techniques. So we have all the best techniques which are there in dentistry in India as of now. We use most latest digital technologies. We have OPG X-ray facilities for which most of the dentists refer patients to outside diagnostic centers. We have in-house OPG X-ray facility. And the most important thing is the sterilization part, which we take care of. We are using B-class autoclave and taking full care of the sterilization protocols. That is most important in any surgical procedure.
That is very good to know. Now I know the reason behind your clinic being so trustworthy. Can you tell the public which disease is most commonly seen in teeth and gums and what are the symptoms of this infection?
And the most commonly, actually, the disease are mainly based out of gums and teeth only. For gum, there is gum problem, which in layman language we call pyorrhea. In professional language, we call it gingivitis. This is generally people assume as the bleeding gums or swollen gums as gingivitis, but these are not the only sign. There are many signs of gum disease, such as pockets between the gums, swollen gums, bad breath, and gum recession, loose teeth, lot of things. And the most prominent disease in the teeth is the cavity. So most of the people have cavity, one or the more cavity in their mouth, but people are ignorant and they don't take care of it because the early stage of cavity doesn't pain or do any kind of discomfort. But as the cavity progresses deep in the tooth, it starts paining. Then people have to go for aggressive treatments like root canal treatment or extraction and all. So I think people should be aware and get the regular checkup done to avoid these diseases at very early stage.
Right. So as you know, your clinic is, we have heard so much about your clinic, but can you tell me what are the specific treatments and new techniques that are available in your clinic?
And we are doing laser dentistry. We are treating patient with latest soft tissue lasers. We are doing implant dentistry. Earlier implant dentistry used to be a bit painful. Nowadays we are following sutureless technique, in which we don't have to give even a single stitch to the patient, and we can give implants painlessly. With modern techniques, we are doing root canal in single visit, that too absolutely painlessly. Most of our patients are happy that they don't have to visit many number of times for the root canal. We are doing single visit root canal with rotary technique and digital techniques. And earlier also I told you, the
Yeah.
most important thing is sterilization, which we are taking care of, and which increases the success rate of any treatment. If the hygiene status of clinic and instruments and all these things are not proper, the success rate of any treatment suffers a lot.
Right, sir. Sir, can you tell me, according to a study, we have seen that 60 to 90% of school children in India, especially, has been facing at least one dental issue, right? So, can you tell us what are the causes of that? And uh, since it
Well,
is such a scary statistic, can you tell me something to help solving them about it? And can you tell me the reason behind it?
yeah, the most important thing is the lifestyle.
Right.
Nowadays, people, instead of
Absolutely.
having good fibrous food and the home cooked food, they are more diverted towards the junk food. They're having pizza, burger, noodles, and all these things. So these are sticky kind of foods which stick on the tooth surface, leading to plaque formation and then further lead to cavity formation. Moreover, improper brushing habits. Most of the kids are too busy in their life. They are not following the main thing that we should brush twice a day. So they are ignorant about their oral health. That's the main issue, I think, which is responsible for more and more dental problems in growing kids.
All right, that is very helpful to know, sir. So, as you know, that cavities is one of the most common seen disease
Yeah.
present in teeth. Can you tell me how to prevent it?
And prevention is very easy for cavities. First and foremost thing is that there should be regular checkup from the dentist, because cavity in early stage doesn't harm you at all. You don't feel any pain or any sensitivity. But as the cavity grows deeper in the tooth, then only the symptoms arises. But by that time, it's too late. So the most important thing is regular checkup, proper brushing, avoiding eating junk food, eating more of fibrous food. We can have fibrous food, and if not possible, we can have sugar-free chewing gums and all, so that the sticky things doesn't stick on the tooth surface. So these are few things which, if we follow, we can avoid cavities.
Right, absolutely, sir. Coming back to your clinic, I cannot stop talking about your clinic. Can you tell me why do people choose your clinic for treatment rather than other clinics?
And one thing is latest facilities, and I won't say the charges are affordable, but charges are not very high also. And the
Right.
most important thing is my friendly behavior with my patients. I always share my personal number with my patients, and patients are very happy that I do all follow-ups with them directly. I never give them opportunity to deal with my staff or reception. I'm ready to talk to them even in the midnight if there is any crisis or any pain or any emergency. That's the reason my patients are very happy with me.
Right, your friendly nature creates that positivity around your clinic, right? So, okay, sir, I won't take much of your time. So, my last question from you is like, we know how COVID cases are increasing day by day, right? And you are a dentist. Like, you are exposed most to the mouth area where the virus is present at the utmost of it. So, can you tell me what are the precautions you are taking for you as well as for your family's safety?
Yeah, ma'am, first and foremost thing is it's not because of COVID that we are taking all the precaution. When COVID was not there, then also we used to wear masks, we used to wear gloves, we used to do sterilization, we used to sanitize our clinic. All these protocols were followed in our clinic much before the COVID was there. Now we are more particular about these things. We are taking care of these things even in better ways. That's the only thing.
Okay, sir. It was great talking to you, sir. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And if you guys want to book an appointment of Dr. Gaurav Gupta, you can do the same by visiting India Top Doctor. Till then, be safe. And for more such videos, keep following and watching India Top Doctor. Thank you.